Welcome to today's video. We're going to tackle a common problem. Users provisioned from Okta can't send envelopes in DocuSign. First up, why does this happen? It's usually because the can send envelope setting isn't correctly set up in Okta. No worries though, it's an easy fix. Here's what you need to do. Start by heading over to your Okta admin console. Go to Directory, then Profile Editor. Here, search for and click on DocuSign User. Time to add a new setting. Click Add Attribute. Once the list shows up, find Can Send Envelope and select it. Don't forget to hit Save. After you add the attribute, Can Send Envelope, refresh the page to see the attribute. Next, we need to add a custom setting in Okta. Go back to the Profile Editor and select User Default. In here, click Add Attribute again. This time, choose Boolean as the type. Give it a name you'll remember, and in the variable field, type Can Send Envelope. When you finish, press Save. Now we need to set the attribute Can Send Envelope true for a test user. In the Okta user profile for our test user, hit Edit. Scroll down to the attribute Can Send Envelope and set the Boolean value to true. Hit Save. Almost there. Go back to Profile Editor and then DocuSign User. Here, click on Mappings. In here, select Okta User to DocuSign. And we can see the attribute is not mapped. Add the attribute Can Send Envelope. To check if everything's set up right, preview a user. If you've done everything correctly, the preview should show the Can Send Envelope value as true. All good? Great. Hit Exit Preview, then click Save Mappings to lock in your changes. If you're ready to update all users right away, click Apply Updates Now. If not, just choose Don't Apply Updates. A quick note, choosing Apply Updates Now updates all user attributes in the app, not just the one you changed. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the issue. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.